In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. After that, get this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!